Welcome. We are going to practice series of yoga positions. So we're going to practice 3 positions today to balance our nervous system, the body and mind. You don't need to be on the mat. If you are, make sure that the mat is thin. You can be on the floor. You can be by your chair. You can be by the wall. So let's stand with legs hip width distance. Spread your toes out, draw navel in towards your back, and rotate shoulders back. Palms are facing forward, spread toes and fingers out, and move your weight from side to side. So you balance on the soles of your feet, the body is fully lengthened. You can close your eyes to deepen the experience. So now in this busy time of the coronavirus, you might feel like you are really losing focus within you. So to bring this focus back into yourself, we're gonna practice 3 pose, 1 leg balancing positions. Gonna find the center and move your weight onto your right leg. Now we're gonna start lifting left heel off the ground. Engage your stomach muscles. You can keep eyes closed or open them at any time. Lifting knee up towards your chest. Opening arms to the side. Just sense how it feels. Make sure that you have nothing around you in case you're gonna fall off the position. You can also hold onto the wall. You can bring one knee to the side. Yes, so if you want to hold onto the wall, your right hand is by the wall and you open your left leg to the side. We are going to hold onto our ankle with our left hand and send foot to our hip. If this is not an option for you, you can bring your foot to your inner calf or you can bring toes to the ground. Just avoid your knee joint for the safety of your knee. Lifting foot as high as you can. Opening arms to the side. So engage your stomach muscles, Mula Uddiyana Bandha on, lengthen arms to the side. You can try to reach up with your hands to the ceiling, release shoulders down. Look ahead or look up if you want to challenge your balance. And then look forward, open arms to the side. Turn neck to one side. Back to the center and turn to the other side. Back to the center. Gonna bring knee to chest, twist spine to your left side. Hold knee with your right hand. So you are twisting your back. Another variation, you grab big toe with the right 3 fingers of your hand. Keep extension through your limbs. Keep reaching up through the crown of your head and gazing back towards your back hand. Look ahead and send your left hand underneath your left thigh or on top of your knee, or you can grab big toe with your left hand. Open the right hand to the side, inhale, and exhale, open leg to the side. This time you've got legs extended, you can gaze towards your right hand. Keep your hips in line. Look ahead. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, grab your heel and extend your leg fully up. You can have your foot flexed or pointed. Keep extension of your lower leg. You can gaze to your right arm. And look ahead. You're going to send leg forward. Hold the back of your leg with your hands. You can have knee to chest or leg extended. You can also spread arms out, rotate your wrists, flex and point your top foot, gradually lowering leg down, Send it all the way back behind you into warrior 3. Square your hips, flex your foot or point, and then lowering top of your body down, head to knee, standing split, shoulders away from your ears. Reach up with your top leg. You can hold onto your lower ankle with both hands. Inhale, exhale, come up. Bringing knee to chest. Still balancing on one leg. And lowering foot down. Shake your other leg. And shake both legs. We are ready for the other side. Legs are hip width distance. Draw navel in towards your back. Rotate shoulders back. Palms are facing forward. So spread toes and fingers out so you got a nice connection with the ground through your feet. Move your weight from side to side. Keep whole body nicely lengthened so your hips are not moving here. Yeah, the body is lengthened. You can close your eyes to deepen the experience. Weight goes on your left leg and you start lifting your right heel off the ground. Press down through the ball of your foot. Just getting used to the weight being on your left side. You can keep eyes closed as long as you wish, or you can open at any time. You start lifting foot off the ground. Opening arms to the side, test your balance on one leg. Hold knee with your right hand, open knee to the side. So if you are out of balance today, left hand is by the wall and you open knee to the side. Send hand to your ankle and bring your foot onto your inner thigh. You can have your foot onto your inner calf or toes down on the floor. So find your way and placing hands in T-shaped letter, spreading arms out, finding balance on one leg in tree pose. Make sure that your stomach muscles are engaged. Draw navel in towards your back, shoulders soft, top of the head is reaching up to the sky. So your weight goes up, not down. You're lifting yourself up through the crown of your head. You can reach up with your hands to the ceiling, drop shoulders down. Look ahead or look up if you want to challenge your balance. Look forward and open arms to the sides. Quite tricky to balance on one leg for such a long period of time, but this is when the practice becomes beneficial for your mental health. You bring knee to chest as we hold long time our positions. We balance our nervous system. You twist your body to your right side, hold front knee with your left hand and gaze back towards your back hand. You can bind big toe of your front leg and extend your leg forward. Keep lengthening your limbs. Crown of the head is reaching up to the sky and you gaze back towards your back hand. Inhale, exhale, look ahead. You can hold the back of your leg with your hands. You can have your knee bent. You can hold the back of your foot. Sending arms to the side. Rotate your wrists, flex and point your top foot. And sending leg down and back. Going to warrior 3. Square your hips, top leg in line with your upper body. Lowering hands down and reaching up with your top leg. Head to supporting knee. Shoulders away from your ears, standing split. You can also try to hold ankle of your supporting leg with one or both hands. Coming back up. Gonna bring our right knee to chest. Drop foot down and shake your other leg. Gonna take a walk on spot, rotating wrists, lifting arms up, rotating wrists in the opposite direction. Lower heels down. Inhale, reach up through your hands, rise up on your toes. Exhale, lower down, bend your knees, chair pose, and send your hips down. Crunch position, hands in front of you, rock front and back to release tension of our legs. It's been quite a long, we had long holds on one leg balancing positions. In one leg balancing positions, you go back to your feet, grab the back of your legs with your arms, take a deep forward bend. Shoulders away from your ears. Release hands down. Rotate your neck, shake it. Bend your knees, shake your body as you roll spine up. Shake, shake, feet hip width distance. Shake, shake your hips, arms. And inhale, reaching up. And exhale, palms to the heart center. Thank you very much. Namaste.